I'm in my guest bathroom right now. I'm going to show you basically this facial steamer. I'm really excited to like open up my pores. I'm in the desert, so it's like super dry. Just took the little thing out of the back there. I'm gonna plug it in. This is the first time I'm using this, so we'll figure this out together. This is how you turn it on. So I don't know if you can see the steam, but it's actually on my face. It feels so good. My face, you can see it, my face is red, but it's so hydrating. It feels amazing.